Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing part 2 of the Home Depot Garden Center. This is all the perennials on the inside of the store. I have part 1 that I did the other week and I'm going to put that in the description box, so if you want to watch that, go take a look. The first thing I see is this American Gold Rush Black-Eyed Susan for $19.98. These are really beautiful, really small petite blooms. And then this Lunar Rose Hardy Hibiscus for $19.98 with a beautiful, beautiful pink bloom. And then some Autumn Fire Sedum for $7.98. And then this is the East Friesland Salvia for $7.98. And then I saw this Monarch Pink Gara for $7.98. And some Joe Pieweed. This is Euphoria Ruby variety for $9.98. And then I started to see the sale items, $7.48 on sale, the 1 gallon Vigaro Hosta. So the first one is the drinking gourd for $7.98. And then we have Moonstruck. And then we have So Sweet. And Tootie May. And Earth Angel. And this one's called Wide Brim. And Anna Culpa. They had a really nice selection of the hosta. This whole table was filled with all those different varieties. So I'll have to pick a couple maybe for my garden. Then I saw this Graceful Magic Gara for $9.98. And Carnival Watermelon Coral Bells for $9.98. And then I saw this sign for 50% off of Vigaro quartz. So they were $6.98 originally, so they'd be $3.50. There was a June hosta, pretty small one, but very affordable. And this was a Sedum Sun Sparkler Dream Dazzler. That was also 50% off. I really like the look of that one. Then I saw some 1 gallon Proven Winners Perennials, originally $16.98. They were on sale for $11.98. And the first one here is Miss America. And then Hudson Bay. They had Diamond Lake. And Gigantosaurus. I also saw this Astilbe. This is Proven Winners Dark Side of the Moon Astilbe. And my first sighting of mums for the season, $6.98 for these yellow mums. It is early August and we're just starting to see those come into the garden centers now. I really like the dark stems on this elephant ear for $5.98. Then I saw a sign for 50% off the 1 gallon Proven Winners Salvia. So they're normally $12.98, so they'd be about $6.50. There's Perfect Perfusion. There's the color bloom on that. And then I also saw Crystal Blue. And I found this Proven Winners Phlox. This is the Pink Lightning variety. This blanket flower really reminded me of fall. This was so pretty. Arizona Apricot is the variety on that. That was $7.98. I don't think this one was on sale. And then they had this yarrow, which really reminded me of fall as well. This is the Millie Rock Yellow Terrace variety, $7.98 on that. And then right next to it, they had the Millie Rock Rose, also $7.98. These were really beautiful. And this Silver Carpet Lamb's Ear for $7.98. And I wanted to take a look at their planters to see if they had anything on sale. I really like these white and charcoal gray colored planters. They had a $54 one, $44, and $24, depending on the size you get. And then I saw these half whiskey barrels for $49.97. Those were solid wood. And these terracotta were really cool. I really like the texture on them. These were 17 inches and they were $39.97. I also wanted to take a look at the terracotta pots to check prices there. They had this bowl for $15.98. And then they had all the different sizes, $44.97 on the biggest size for the terracotta, down to $29.97 for the next size down, $19.97. And they had the saucers for all the various sizes of the terracotta pots, which was nice to see. And they had this watering can for $6.97 with this really long neck on it. I thought that was funny. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching this quick little run through of the Home Depot. And if you get a chance to check out part 1 of this video, it had more of the shrubs and trees that were on sale at this Lowe's. So check it out in the description box and take a look. Now is the time when you really start seeing the plants go on sale, you know, especially the perennials and things like that, as we're getting later in the summer. So I want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.